What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are finally gonna replace the headlights and fogs, but we're gonna have to go to Home Depot and pick up some stuff first. And I know a lot of you guys are roasting me about not washing my car. Well, I just washed it 2 days ago. And you guys were right, I should have done it a long time ago, because when a black car is cleaned and washed, it looks so glossy, so pretty. Fuck. Looks like a fucking snack. And as from a little Honda here, it looks super ugly without the front lip, but I can't wait for Caesar to finish that. I don't know, I feel like the only thing that this car is missing is a perfectly painted front bumper and the front lip. Don't worry guys, I'm not neglecting this car. I'm gonna have a lot more content for this car coming soon. Alright, so I think the car is warmed up enough. Let's just head to Home Depot and I'll see you guys there. Alright guys, so now I'm at Home Depot. I picked up some sandpaper and painter's tape. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start for 800 because I don't think it was that bad. 1000 and then 2000 to refine it. And normally you could clear coat your whole headlight, but I don't think I'm gonna do that today because when I clear coat my headlights, I'm gonna give it to Caesar so I could get a proper way of doing it. And he has like better clear coat for actual car paint. So I think that's gonna be a better way anyways. Yeah, so I'm gonna go Kevin's house, pick up some compound, and I think we should be good. Alright guys, so we just made it to Peter's house. Today we're actually working. Alright, so Francis needed help with his fog lights. Okay. Since I'm installing mine, I might as well just help him as well. And Peter's car is looking clean as usual. Don't worry guys, he's getting wheel soon, like real soon. So don't even worry about that. Snap light.
That was
Did you hear my expect? Ah, stop! I totally forgot I was on the fucking first gear.
Bro, this is rare. So usually you will see Thomas like angle a lot and you'll see him not stall. But he didn't angle at all and he stalled.
Francis, check my battery real quick. Yeah.
Hey, oi.
Alright guys, so bad news, I actually forgot something at home. So me and Francis are actually gonna head back to my house and grab it and come back, and we don't really have a lot of time for sunlight left. And I want to apologize ahead of time if the rest of the vlogs gonna be at nighttime, because yeah, so Mama Yams actually told him to sweep the garage. She came out here earlier and she's like, oh hello, I thought you were Peter. I was like, what? She's like, can you Peter sweep the floor and take out the trash? Alright, so Francis is driving my car because I'm super lazy.
Let's see how this goes. It ain't no Subaru, but
Be careful, Kong. Let's see how he reacts to the short shifter.
okay, that should be reverse right there.
Yeah, they did.
Oh, what the fuck was that? Yo. Oh, see what happened was
Oh my god.
my 6-pound baby, Jesus.
Alright guys, so now we're back at Peter's. I finally picked up the things that I forgot at home. And these are the materials we use for today. Alright, so we got our sandpaper, our tape, and these headlights and fogs. I got them used off of my friend's homie. Yeah, they're not brand new, but they're a lot better than that one. They just need a little bit more cleaning. But I got them for a really good price, so you can't blame me for picking these up. The fogs are still yellow, but I think we could fix that with the materials we have today. Oh, and this is what I forgot at home. I have a variety of different size LED bulbs. Alright, so first we're gonna start wet sanding with the 800 grit, and we're gonna start with this headlight right here. Yo! Alright guys, so I think I'm done with the 800 grit. I'm gonna move on to the 1000 grit. Alright guys, so I just finished using the 1000 grit and it's starting to look a little bit better. Still cloudy, but we're not totally done yet. So I'm going to continue with the 2000 grit and see how it goes. So this is what it looks like after the 2000 grit. I think I need to go a little bit more just in case. Yeah, it's a little bit cloudy, but the yellowness is gone compared to this one. This is what it used to look like before. This is what it looks like now. And I'm just going to go a little bit more. But after this step, what you can do is you can clear coat it, but I'm not doing that today. I'm actually gonna take it off in the future and give it to Caesar, and he's gonna do that for me because I want like a legit clear coat on it. I don't want no spray can stuff. All right guys, so I kind of just finished one of the fogs, and you guys can tell a big difference. Check this out. So this is how it used to look like. You see how it's kind of yellow, and this is the new one. There's a fat difference between them two. When I finish this one, we can finally install in the car and start buffing it. All right guys, so I removed all of the oxidation from the fogs and the headlights. Now the only thing I need to do is reinstall them into this car. Actually, it hasn't been installed yet. Install these into the car and then start using the compound and the buffing pad or whatever like that. Alright, so the reason why I took out the bumper is because I actually don't know how to take out the headlights, but I think it's this bolt. And looking at the new one, should be another one right here. This one broke off. This one, I don't know where it is. Oh, I'll figure it out. Alright guys, it took me like fucking 40 minutes to take out this fucking one headlight. Because this is one clip down here that's held on. And also on the bracket, it's pushed behind this little clip right here too. So it was pretty fucking annoying. Alright guys, so for the LED bulb, I actually ordered the D2Rs, but they don't have that. So it came into like this kind of bulb right here. So these are LEDs. So it comes like this, and usually the D2R bulbs, they kind of have like this little cap right here. Right here, let me just show you guys. This cap right here, and this goes into the bulb. But you know, the LEDs, I guess they don't have this. So I'm converting it. Hopefully it works. Alright guys, so I got the LEDs to start working with the help of Johnson, my boy over here. So what happened was the ballast, I tried to use it, but it doesn't give enough power to the actual bulb. So what I did was actually, you see guys, see this harness right here? This is the harness that pulls power from the car to the ballast, but that didn't give enough power to the bulb. So what I did was actually splice off that tip, and then I mounted it onto the headlight bulb itself, like the LED bulb itself, and that gave it enough power to power it up. So everything works. Yeah. Now all I need to do is clean, you know, the surface right here, and we should be good. So while Johnson is doing this side for the LED, I'm actually gonna start on buffing the headlights and the fog. Francis is gonna take over real quick. This battery's about to die, so let me see if I have an extra battery. Francis, just wipe it off. Oh, it looks pretty clear. Look. Good job, Francis.
It used to be Franz Ice, now it's Franz on site. Look at that, hella nice.
Hey, dang, that looks like.
Hey, don't forget to follow me, alright?
Hey, look how nice and crystallized it looks in the camera, bro.
Yeah, dude. That's what you call some Filipino work right there.
Get back to work, Frank Castle.
Alright guys, it's getting super late, so I actually have to clean everything up and continue this tomorrow, because Peter's neighborhood is actually a really nice neighborhood and we can't be that loud, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, so this is the next day and I wanted to work on my car outside, but it started raining. So I guess we're just gonna have to buff the fog lights inside the house. Alright guys, got everything set up. Now I'm gonna get these cleaned up again and then start buffing them. Alright, so I'm start using that gun to buff out this fog. I'm gonna probably do it for a couple of minutes and then I'll get back to you guys to see how it comes out. Alright guys, so I've been buffing the other one for a couple of minutes, and this is what it looks like before and this is what it looks like after. Check this out. Boom. This one looks so good. I can't wait to put these on. And also I think the stock ones, the projectors come yellow, but for some reason this one is like clear. So the ones on the car right now are yellow, so I might keep both of them just to see which one I want to use in the future, or I can switch them off if you guys know what I mean. Alright guys, so since it stopped raining, I decided to try to install these right now really quick before it starts pouring again. So for the fogs from the back, it's held in by 2 10 mils that I don't see right there and another 2 10 mils that I don't see over here. So what's up on the new ones? I need to find bolts for them. I don't want them to fall out. I don't know why these don't have any bolts. Like, fuck, I was supposed to reuse the same bolts, but there's none. So I guess I'll go find some. Alright guys, so I checked up on all the wirings for the fogs. they are a little fucked up, so there's no way of me doing it today because of the weather. So what I'm gonna do is actually gonna install these, take off the bulbs just in case. I don't want water to get in them and get them ruined and all that. I'm just gonna put in the old bulbs just so they are secured and closed so no water get inside. And I guess that's all we could do for today's video. Alright guys, super windy and I have a feeling it's gonna rain soon. I'm actually gonna put everything back together and I'll see you guys at the end because I don't really want to record this. It might rain soon. I want to get it done fast. Alright guys, the car's back together. Damn, look at that. From just clearing up the headlights and the fogs, it makes the car look so much newer and so much cleaner. Alright guys, so this is what my car looks like now and this is what my car looked like back then. Do you guys see the difference? The headlights look so much cleaner and the car looks so much better. Alright guys, I need to end this video quick because as you can tell the weather's not getting better at all. It's super cold and I'm dying out here. But I hope today's video actually helped you guys in learning how to clear up your headlights and fogs. For those of you who has older cars that have headlights and fogs that are made out of glass, you guys are so lucky because they never oxidize, they last forever. But I don't know why they stopped making glass headlights and stuff, but if you guys know, please let me know in the comment section below because I really want to know why they stopped making glass headlights and fogs. That's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.